The NAFCO precast light pole base is easy to install and has several unique features that allow it to be in stock and available for your next project. To start the installation process, determine the location of the precast base and excavate or auger a hole. The depth of the hole is based upon the project required embedment plus an additional 6 inches to allow for placement of base stone. The diameter of the hole should be at least 30 to 36 inches to allow for room to work around the base. Once you have placed a minimum of 6 inches of base stone on the bottom of the hole, the precast base can be set and leveled. The base can be lifted by threading 2 straps through the center of the precast base or by attaching chains to the anchors located on the sides. It is important to orient the base with consideration for where the conduits will need to be installed, as well as the final positioning of the light pole base plate. Now that the precast base has been set and leveled, additional backfill material can be placed around the foundation up to the elevation of the large side openings. Backfill material should consist of crushed stone or on-site sanding material that is compacted in lifts. At this point, the required conduit can be installed utilizing the large side openings and center pathway located within the precast base. Once this is complete, the rest of the backfill material can be placed around the perimeter of the precast base to the final required grade elevation. Next, you will need to set up the anchoring system located on the top of the precast base. Start by choosing the correct hardware size for the intended light pole. The precast base system can accommodate both 3/4 and 1-inch hardware. Once you have chosen your hardware, open the bag and remove the contents. To begin the setup, start by placing a single anchor plate onto one of the carriage bolts and slide it down until the square hole seats onto the collar of the bolt. Note that the proper orientation of the anchor plate is with the most extreme rounded corners located on the top right and bottom left when placed onto the bolt. Next, you will need to lower the carriage bolt and the anchoring plate into the slot until it reaches the bottom. Then, turn the bolt 90 degrees until it locks into place. Next, while holding the bolt, place one bearing plate washer and nut onto the bolt. At this point, leave the nut loose enough to allow for adjustments along the slot. Repeat this process for the 3 remaining slots. Once all the bolts have been installed, use a template or tape measure to adjust the spacing of the bolts to achieve the required bolt circle diameter. Once the bolts are in the correct location, tighten each of the 4 hex nuts against the bearing plate washer to lock the bolts into place. Nuts should be installed to hand tight using a crescent wrench. Using a template or tape measure, recheck the position of the bolts to ensure they didn't move during the setup process. Make any final adjustments as needed. The final step in the anchor setup process is to fill each of the slots with grout. Start by mixing the grout for the manufacturer's instructions to a fluid consistency. Then pour the grout into each of the 4 slots. Be sure to fill each slot completely and trowel off any excess as needed. Please refer to Precast Base Full Installation Manual for additional guidance and information on the grouting process. At this point, the precast base installation is complete and you are ready to set up the light pole.